Hi, dear students. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Last time I told you that I will get the class through projectors, but due to the shortage of light, these things were not possible for me. And now I'm gonna take this class through my smartphones, and it will definitely help you to understand about the digestions. Last time I had discussed about the digestions through animate, and I made an animated video. But my students send me, other students send me messages. They had sent me a lot of messages in which they told me that, please, sir, you talk about the digestions with the help of the slides, presentation slides. So now I had prepared this, and now I have. Let's go to the topic, and there we can see that how the whole process will be occur. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this one. You can see there digestions. This is digestive systems, including digestive systems. The first one is phase includes ingestions, in which we're getting the food. In the one point, you can see ingestion. The second point is the movement. The third point is mechanical and chemical digestions, and the fourth point is absorption, and fifth point elimination. If you talk about the first point, that is ingestions. So in ingestions, you can see that we're taking food and getting it, that food getting it into that food into the esophagus and to stomachs. This process is called ingestions process, which trigger peristalsis. Are also including this process is also including the peristalsis, in which peristalsis is the process in which the movement of food occur from the esophagus to the stomach. So this process is occurring when this process is opposite to the peristalsis. This will be called as antiperistalsis. So antiperistalsis a little bit change because of this. Because of, you can see that in antiperistalsis the process will be changed, and the antiperistalsis is the opposite process to the peristalsis, in which the food is going from the stomach, going out from the stomach to esophagus and reaching to the mouth, and you can see that the vomiting process. The vomiting process is occurring through with the help of the peristalsis. So this was somewhat about this. Let's go back to the topic. So the movement, in which the movement, I have told you that the movement, how the movement occur. The movement will be from the mouth to the pharynx and to the esophagus and to the and then to the stomach, and then going on. Anyway, next topic is next slide, third number slide. You can see the digestions type: mechanical, physical, chew, tear, grinding, mash, mix. Chews mean to say it's just like mastication. Chewing just like mastication. In mastications, you can see that the mastication process is uh, a chewing process like this, as you can see in my mouth. This is just like the process of mastications or chewing. So this process is occurring because of the reason that we want to add some saliva with this uh, food, with the bolus. The food, the morsel which you have in your mouth for chewing, that food will be called as a bolus. So the bolus will be used, and after this, the grinding, chewings, mastications, all is have one purpose: to crush the food and to make them pieces. So this is what we want to understand you. So now going to the next topic, next point: chemical digestions. Okay, chemical digestions are types. What is the chemical? The second one is the chemical. The mechanical, I have told you about this. The chemical, you can see the enzyme reaction to improve digestions of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. So in this, there you can see the in the third slide you can see the chemical, which is the enzyme uh, the several type of enzyme is used to break the bonds for the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Now going to the next point, that is digestion system, digestive system organization. Gastrointestinal tract. GI is used for gastrointestinal tracts. Tubes within the tube. The direct link path is between the organs. Structures. How is the structures? Uh, they have a mouth. The structure involved mouth, pharynx, esophagus, uh, small intestines, large intestines, and rectums. So now I'm going to show you. There in the diagram you can see the fourth number diagram. You can see in the fourth number slide. You can see this the fourth slide. You can see diagram. They have given the arrows to understand these all processes. So now I'm going to telling you about this whole process. You can see that the mouth, esophagus, and the stomach, large intestine, small intestines. These there you can see that if you talk about this mouth, this is the point. This point, the mouth, the pharynx is occurring there from this place inside to this place. There's a pharynx inside pharynx, and then esophagus is starting there. So in the esophagus, the food is going down. From the esophagus, they are reaching to the stomach, and then to the small intestine, and then to large intestine, and after that, the, from the large intestine going to the rectums, and after that they are somehow are spreading there, and they are getting the time to explain all these things what you have in your rectum. Anyway, let's go back to the slide. Starting with the mouth, how the mouth process, as we told you that you can see in the fourth number slide, you can see mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. How does they work? Mouth, you can see teeth mechanically breakdowns food into small pieces. Tongue makes up food with saliva, contains amylase, which helps breaking off starch. There is a point. There is a point that you can see. There's a point. The point is that if you talk about the amylase enzymes, which is used for the breaking of the starch, so for the breaking of starch, the amylase enzyme is used, and the amylase enzymes is we getting this enzyme with the help of saliva. So saliva are involved to get this enzyme. All right. So there I'm gonna telling you that this is not possible. This is not possible that only saliva will produce the enzyme, which is the amylase enzyme. No, other type of enzyme is also can be produced, because if you talk about the amylase, which is used for the breakdown of the fats or carbohydrates, so other enzyme, if you talk about the other enzyme, so other enzymes is also used to break down the food. Okay, dear students, the this was the first part. The second part you will see in the next videos. Okay, till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.